getting here, the team's schedule gave way and giving us an opportunity to have a quick visit to Ilocos Sur's highest peak, Mount Namandiraan, situated in the municipality of Cervantes, which was believed to be named after the poet Miguel de Cervantes. If you remember Mount Towato, this is the mountain right next to it. With a team of 8, we were able to move efficiently as we were pressed against time and weather constraints. Frost.
Yung upload talaga, pang-up na yan.
Woo! So, it's not sunrise yet, but we're getting so much action thanks to Liz. Hold on, rope section. Hold on. Because there are limatics, so many of them. And Choi and Liz are having the time of their life. There, see? Yeah.
Standing at 2,331 meters above sea level, Mount Namandiraan features long stretches of pristine pine forest begins at Bessang Pass, site of one of the greatest liberation battles of Filipino and American soldiers versus Yamashita's troops in 1945. We traversed all the way to Malaya Elementary School, a few kilometers away along the highway where the Bessang Monument is located. The ascent featured some steep sections that passed through pine forests, a river crossing, and then the mossy section. From the summit, we embarked on a much longer route down to the river, which might require some downhill skills as some sections can be a bit technical.
They're one of 300 limatics.
Here.
Yeah, there too.
Here.
Oh, they're all over.
Ano nararamdaman mo lang?
Scared of the limatic.
Oh, sorry.
Can you check my face?
Hindi ko nakikita. Makes me more bothered.
Nope.
Wala.
Nothing.
Put this on, Nick.
Yeah, clear.
Shit! Ayoko na. Ayoko na piano.
Everyone doing a limatic check.
Steep up hills, and it's very limatic infested. We've been flicking them for the past hour, and they're unlimited. They come in big batches. You flick 5, then you get 7, and so on. Rainy season. Sun is up. Just weaving around the mossy forest. It slowed us down because we keep on flicking the limatics, and the people who are enjoying this most are Liz and Choi. Yay! Yeah, they're going frantic over this frenzy limatics. summit, and it's very misty. Took it easy. Took most of our time clicking the leeches. You can see there's blood everywhere. Oh, there's a leech there. But like I said, it doesn't really hurt. I mean, it's better to get bitten by leeches rather than mosquitoes. There was some clearing, but not entirely. It's gonna be a long downhill from here, longer than the route going uphill. So we're doing the traverse. Hopefully we can run, finish early, and travel back.
When you're all alone again, with no one by your side, the crowd has gone away from here. There's nowhere you can hide, and all the lights have faded low, and your town is shrunk inside. I'll be there right by your side, through the lows and the highs. Take my hand, walk these roads. There's no need to walk alone. Take my hand, walk these roads. There's no need to walk alone. Take my hand, walk these roads. There's no need to walk alone.
Okay, that's where we came from.
You know me, hand in hand, we'll take these streets. 'Cause I know you, you know me. Hand in hand, we'll take these streets.
Yeah, that's where we came from. So steep and quite technical. More to come.
Been away, haven't changed, had much to say, but man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around, how you was, where you could be found. Told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town.
We came from there. Boing. That's Mount Namandiraan, and all the way. And here we are.
You know that chick that used to dance a lot? Every night she'd be on the floor shaking what she'd got. Man, when I tell you she was cool, she was red hot. I mean, she was steaming. And that time over at Johnny's place, well, this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. Man, we just fell about the place.